grab your gray and we're going to do level 3 pressure around the whole outside of the face, on the neck and upper shoulders if those are showing. You can go way thinner when you get to the bottom of the chin. So this was a bit wide. I'm going to go really thin with my gray right here. If you have a character that has hair going over their face, you'll still do a level 3, except you'll just follow along with the hairline. You also level 3 small circle your necklines, the letter U, and if you're doing a feminine character, the collarbone lines. Inside of the ear, do a level 4. This needs to be slightly darker than the side of your face. We're not doing ear details, we're just pushing them back into space by making this area darker. On this side, I'm doing level 4 pressure, pushing this ear back into space. You then do a little bit of level 5 closest to the face and blur it into the 4. I'll do the same on this side. I'm going to do a level 5 closest to the face when it comes to the ear. And then I'll blur it into the 4 that's there. We're pretending like this is a big radial where everything is being pulled towards the center. So we have our 3. I'm going to start fading 2 and 1. 3, 2, 1, fading towards the center. Just hazing this out with a 2 and a 1. I need to zoom in. Sometimes circle in the opposite direction if you feel like your color is a bit scratchy. Just leave the chin area alone. Oh, I need to zoom out. Just leave the chin area alone. I brought this fade down here. I'm going to do the same on the other side. It's 3, 2, 1s. And when I get to the chin, I'm not really going to do a 3, 2, 1. I'm just going to kind of leave it alone. On the necklines, we're going to do a 3, 2, 1 out to the right. We already have a 3 down. Just kind of haze this into a 2. And then haze that 2 into a 1. On this side, we're going to haze going out to the left. We already have our 3 down. Just haze that a little bit into a 2. And then haze the 2 into a 1. Haze 3, 2, 1 going vertically inside of the letter U. We have a 3 down, hazing upward into a 2 and a 1. If you have collarbones, then you're just going to haze up a 2 and a 1 above them. Haze your neck level 3 out. We're going to haze to the right, 3, 2, and 1. And then down here, we're going to haze going downward. Three, 2, and 1. The right side of the neck we're going to do a little different because we are imagining that this side of our character is catching more shadow. I'll zoom in. My cat is really meowing a lot today. So like there's a letter V right here. It's kind of an upside down letter V. I'll zoom in a little bit more. We're going to fill this up with a level 5. Level 5 small circles. That's about how far out I did that level 5. Then continue this level 5 underneath the chin. Now this should be darker than that level 3 that you put there earlier. And continue this level 5 to follow down the side of the neck and onto the shoulder. Even do this off of the shirt of the character. Add in this level 5. When I zoom out, it looks like this. We need to fade this. We're going to fade this into a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm fading this as a diagonal, fading it out. Underneath the chin, I'm fading a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 going down. If I zoom out, that's what we're looking like. With this whole line right here, I need to fade down and away. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. going downward now. We're going to connect our shadow from the side of our face into this corner of our eye. Do this with about level 2 pressure. You can probably do level 3 pressure. Just make sure you haze out the edges. We're going to connect on this side, this shadow with the corner of this eye. About level 3 pressure. If you have a masculine character, you need to block in a shape underneath the cheekbone line. Just kind of make that area a bit darker. Same thing as on this side, underneath this cheekbone line, going straight down. Just make that area a bit darker. It'll make more sense on your paper because you have a lot more shadows going on right now.